Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today because I have joined 6 other talented ladies here on YouTube to bring you guys a special collaboration. We have all decided to decorate something different in our homes. That way you can fall into inspiration this season. And here are those ladies. Okay, so starting from the left, we have Kristen with Kristen K, Shannon, the Daily DIYer, Jessica with Measure and Mix, myself, Courtney with Creative on the Cheap, Jennifer with a little bit of Calm and Crazy, and Whitney with Whiskey and Wit. So for my video, I decided to do a fall tablescape. This could work for any fall dinner occasion or even Thanksgiving. I decided to go with a more feminine farmhouse route to see how it went, and I added cute little touches of peach throughout. So if you're interested in what I came up with and how I pulled together, make sure to stick around by subscribing. And don't forget to check out all the other girls' channels. There is going to be a playlist in my description box below so you can check out what spaces they decided to choose for this collab. I can't wait to see what they have done, but without further ado, let's get started. So first off, I wanted to add a little bit of color and pattern to my tablecloth. And I don't know if you know this, but Walmart carries pre-cut 2-yard pieces of great fabric selections that are perfect for standard size tables. Grab one of those and it's an instant tablecloth. And of course, this year's table setting could not go without my DIY full galvanized metal chargers. I did a DIY on this and you can do it too with Dollar Tree chargers. I'll leave a link in the description and at the end of the video so you can check it out. I used white plates and my DIY raffia napkin rings that I shared how to make in a previous video as well. And if you notice, I didn't use the seagrass placemat in this table setting because I wanted to share how easily you can use these chargers without anything underneath. Plus, I thought that the rustic look of the charger played very well against the feminine print of the fabric. That plaid kind of reminds me of something Cher would wear from Clueless. Let me know below if you agree. I love including these stemmed water glasses from Dollar Tree whenever I do my tablescapes. Now I wanted a centerpiece with a little bit of height, but my tier tray was a little bit too big and bulky and I wanted something more feminine, so I decided to use this cake stand. So I added this little wreath that I got in the Target dollar spot and a little DIY stand that I did from Dollar Tree and added a cute little pumpkin on top, and it was an instant tiered tray. Then I started adding greenery, and I love lamb's ear. Now, I have shared before that I have bought lamb's ear little bushes for 97 cents at Walmart. Well, this year they have a nicer quality bush. Actually, it's 2 thick picks. It costs $1.97 for the pair, if I remember correctly, and they are so much better quality than the ones they used to carry before. And then I just started adding pumpkins of different sizes and colors throughout. One of the ways that I like to save on money when decorating for different seasons throughout the year is that I'll go back and I'll look at my color schemes from the past that I'm no longer into, and I'll just take those pumpkins and I will paint them over. And all these pumpkins that you see here are either dollar store pumpkins or end of season clearance pumpkins. And even though they may not be the color scheme that I want when I buy them, I always have the option of changing them and customizing them myself. And then I added some of these little peach floral stems throughout as well. These candles are also from Dollar Tree. And this is it. That's my simple feminine farmhouse fall tablescape. This was very inexpensive for me. Pretty much everything except the tablecloth I have had for a long time. I'm enjoying this really soft color scheme. Hit like if you enjoy it as well. So I hope you enjoyed me putting together a more feminine, even kind of shabby chic farmhouse tablescape for this fall season. Even though I use those galvanized DIY chargers, I thought bringing in a little bit more of the white in the stands as well as the peach throughout really softened it up a bit. And I love that fabric that I found at Walmart for only I think it was like $5 a yard, and I had 2 yards, which was the perfect size for my tablecloth. Don't forget to check out that playlist below in my description box to check out everybody else's videos. Thank you ladies for joining me in this fall collaboration. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.